Okay, good morning students. So last class we completed vector product. So we today continue the class new concept, that is scalar triple product. This is the last concept in this chapter. So very important concept. So here what is the given first? So let vector A, vector B and vector C be any three vectors. The scalar product of vector A and vector B cross vector C, that is vector A dot of vector B cross vector C, is called scalar triple product of vector A, vector B and vector C. Is it clear? That is scalar triple product means one is scalar product and another one is cross product is there. If these two mixed, we call that vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. This is called what? Scalar triple product, and it is always denoted by box of vector A comma vector B comma vector C, or box of vector A comma vector B comma vector C. And it is, what is the formula? Box of vector A vector B vector C is equal to vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. This is the definition of scalar triple product. So in that, how to find out scalar triple product, that is vector A dot of vector B cross C, then you can take determinant form. So in determinant form, you can take A1, A2, A3, second one B1, B2, B3, next third one C1, C2, C3. This is the finding the value of vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. So next you go for second note. What is there with vector A, vector B and vector C be any three or vectors, then you can write vector B, vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to vector B, vector C, vector A equal to vector C, vector A, vector B. So here one order is there. If vector A, vector B, vector C is there, afterwards if vector B is there, next value is vector C, next value is vector A. C afterwards A, afterwards B is there. If interchanged, C is there, vector A is there. Next, what is the value? Vector B will come, but here what is the value? Vector C. When order is changed, then you can take sign value, minus sign value. Okay? When order is changed, you can take minus sign value. If order is there, then you can take plus. So these all three are equivalent. So next one, fourth point, what is there? If both are same or if any two are same, then you can take that one equal to 0, because we know that in determinant form, if any two row of any two column is same, then it is 0 by using property. So that condition here applied. So that's why when two vectors are same, you can take that one 0. Okay, is it clear? So scalar triple product means we know that vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. This is called what? Scalar triple product. In that, how to find out this one? Determinant of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Then this is also right. Vector A, vector B, vector C, vector B, vector C, vector C, vector C, vector A, vector B in order. So means A after it will come B, B after it will come C, C after it will come again A. If order is changed, then it will come outside minus. Is it clear? So when both are same, you can take 0. Okay. This is the definition of scalar triple product. And another concept is there very important, that is coplanarity of three vectors. When you find out it is coplanarity. So when vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0. When vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0, then it is called what? Coplanarity. Right? When vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0, then it is called what? Coplanarity. Very, very important. In this method in annual examination they will ask one questions. Okay. So here vector A, vector B, vector C, 3 points is there. But when they given 4 points, then how can you find out this one? First you can find out AB, afterwards AC, afterwards AD. right? So first you can find AB, AC and AD. Afterwards you can apply the formula vector AB dot of vector AC cross vector AD equal to 0. It will come 0, then it is a coplanarity. Is it clear? This is the small concept for scalar total product, right? Now we go for problems. So we go for first one. First problem. Find vector A dot of vector B cross C if vector A equal to 2i plus j plus 3k, vector B equal to minus r plus 2j plus k, and vector C is equal to 3i plus j plus 2. Okay, this is the problem for finding the vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. First of all, you have to write what the given value. So first, what is the given vector A value? Vector A is equal to what? 2i plus j plus 3k, and vector B is equal to minus I plus 2j plus k is given. Next, vector C is equal to what? 3i plus j plus 2k. Okay, right? Next, you have to find out vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. Next, you have to find out vector B dot of vector B cross vector C. So, as usual method, we know that how to find out this one: A1 A to A3, B1 B to B3, C1 C to C2. Okay. So, what about the vector A value? 2, 1, 3. Vector B value -1, 2, 1. Vector C value 3, 1, 2. Okay. Now you can using the determinant you can find out. So first one 2 of 4 minus 1 here, -1 of -2 minus 3 plus 3 of -1 minus 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 2 minus plus 4. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. Plus into minus minus 7. So 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 is 4. What is your answer? 4. Okay. So once you have to check it, this one, what is the given here? 2, 1, 3. Next vector B is -1, 2, 1. Vector C is 3, 1, 2. Then if you find out this one, 4 minus 1, -1 of -2 minus 3 plus 3 of -1, 6. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, minus 5, minus 2 minus plus 5, minus 7 here. What is the answer? Plus into minus, minus 7 into 3 is 21. 6 plus 5 is 11, minus 21. We get, what is the answer? Minus 10. Okay. Similarly, we go for second problem. So as it is, find vector A dot of vector B cross C if vector A equal to vector B equal to vector C. Right? So what do you do first? You have to write. So vector A is given I minus 2j plus 3k. I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector B is equal to 2i minus 3j plus k. And vector C is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. Okay. Now you can find out as usual method. First, what is the given? Vector A value I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector B value 2y minus 3j plus k. And vector C value. Vector C is equal to 3i plus j minus 2k. Okay. Now you can find out vector A dot of vector B cross vector C. So determinant of vector A value 1 minus 2 3 2 minus 3 1 3 1 minus 2. Now you can expand this one. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6 minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 of minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 of 2 plus 9. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Plus into minus minus 14. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 30. So 33 plus 5 is 38 minus 14. 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 24. Okay. So next we go for another problem. Third one. Show that very important problem. Show that the vectors vector A equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. I minus 2j plus 3k. Vector B equal to minus 2i plus 3j minus 4k. And vector C is equal to I minus 3j plus 5k or coplanar. Okay, you can do that. This is coplanar. We know that. What do you mean by coplanar? When vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0. Right? So if you find out the vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0, then it is coplanar. So as usual method, so first take vector A value. What about vector A value? I minus 2j plus 3k, and vector b value is minus 2i plus 3j minus 4, and vector c value is I minus 3j plus 5. Okay, so now you can find out vector A dot of vector B cross vectors. As usual method here, 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 3 minus 4, next 1 minus 3 5, right? Its coefficient, its coefficient, its coefficient. Now you can expand 1 of 3 into 5 is 15, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 3 4s are 12, minus into minus plus, 2 of minus 10, minus into plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 4, plus 3 of 6 minus 3. So 15 minus 12 means 3, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Here plus 3, 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 plus 9 is 12. So 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So when you get 0, you can write that one. Therefore, vector A, comma, vector B and vector C are coplanar. Okay, when you get 0, you can write that one. Vector A, comma, vector B and vector C are coplanar. Okay. So similarly, I will give same another problem. Okay. So we go for another same problem. Show that the vectors vector A equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, vector B equal to minus 2y plus 3j minus 4k, and vector C is equal to I minus 3j plus 5 are coplanar. Same method is there, so you can try this problem. So as usual method, so you can find out vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0, then it is coplanar. Okay. Okay, we go for another problem. Fifth one. Find lambda if the vectors vector A equal to I plus 3j plus k, vector B equal to 2y minus j minus k, and vector C is equal to lambda j plus lambda I plus 7j plus 3k are coplanar. Okay. Already they given all three vectors are coplanar, right? So here you can find out the lambda. So first you have to write what the given value. vector A is equal to I plus 3j plus k, vector B is equal to 2y minus j minus k, and vector C is equal to lambda I plus 7j plus 3k, right? Okay, so here what is the given? Already vector A, vector B and vector C are coplanar. Okay, already they given vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar. We know that when they coplanar, vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to what? 0. So how to find out this one? By using determinant. Vector A value is 1, 1, 3, 1. Here vector B value is 2 minus 1 minus 1. Here lambda 7, 3 equal to 0. Now you can expand. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. This one is plus 7. Minus 3 of 6 plus lambda. Plus 1 of 14 plus lambda equal to 0. Plus 7 minus 3 is 4. Here we can multiply plus into minus minus 18 minus 3 lambda. Here 14 plus lambda equal to 0. So here we get 18. So minus 14 plus 14 we get 0. Minus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 2 lambda. So this implies lambda equal to what? 0. Okay. So we get the lambda value equal to 0. Okay. So now we go for same another problem. Sixth one. Same method. Find lambda if the vectors vector A equal to I minus j plus k, I minus j plus k, vector B equal to 3i plus j plus 2k, vector C is equal to I plus lambda j minus 3k are coplanar. Okay. So as usual method, first you have to write vector A value. Vector A is equal to I minus j plus k. Vector B value is 3i plus j plus 2k. And vector C value is I plus lambda j minus 3k. So already they given they are coplanar. So when they are coplanar, you can use the condition vector A dot of vector B cross vector C is equal to 0. So here vector A value is 1 minus 1 1. Vector B value is 3 1 2. Here vector C value is 1 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, now you can expand 1 of minus 3 minus 2 lambda plus 1 of minus 9 minus 2 plus 1 of 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Now you can simplify minus 3 minus 2 lambda minus 11 plus 3 lambda minus 3 equal to 0. Now you can simplify minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 6 minus 11. Okay, so once again I will write here minus 3 minus 2 lambda, next minus 11, next one is 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0, 3 lambda minus 1 equal to 0, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, minus 4 minus lambda is minus 15, minus 2 lambda plus 3 lambda is lambda equal to 0, so lambda equal to 50. Okay, so we get the answer. Okay, next we go for another one problem. Right? 7th one. Show that the 4 points A, comma B, comma C and D with position vectors 4i plus 5j plus k minus of j plus k, third one is 3i plus 9j plus 4 and 4 of minus I plus j plus k respectively are coplanar. Okay, so here how many points is given? 4 points is given, right? Here you can prove that these are coplanar. Here what is the given? 4 point is given. So when they given 4 points, you can find out AB, AC and AD. So first of all, first point is considered as a OA vector. OA is equal to what? 4i plus 5j plus k. Second one considered as OB vector. OB is equal to what? Minus j minus k. Next, third one is considered as OC vector 3i plus 9j plus 4. Next, fourth one OD vector is considered as minus 4i plus 4j plus 4. Okay. Now you can find out vector AB. So vector AB means OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector minus OA vector. OB vector is minus j minus k minus of OA vector. OA vector is 4i plus 5j plus k. Now you can simplify. Here there is no I value, so write minus 4i minus 5j minus j is minus 6j minus k is minus 2. Okay. Similarly, you can find out vector AC. OC vector minus OA vector. What about OC vector? 3i plus 9j plus 4k minus OA vector is 4i plus 5j plus k. Now you can simplify. 3i minus 4i is minus I. 9j minus 5j is 4j. 4k minus k is 3k. Okay, this is AC vector. Next one, AD vector, OD minus OA vector. What about OD vector value? Minus 4i plus 4j plus 4 minus OA vector is 4i plus 5j plus k vector. Now you can simplify. Minus 4i is minus 8i. 4j minus 5j is minus j. 4k minus k is plus 3k. Okay. Now you can find out vector AB dot vector AC cross vector AD as usual method. So using determinant, first one is minus 4 minus 6 minus 2. Next is minus 1 4 3. Next is minus 8 minus 1 3. Okay. Now you can simplify. Minus 4 3 is 12 plus 3 plus 6 of minus 3 plus 24 minus 2 of 1 plus 30. Now you can simplify. 15 into 4 minus 60. This one is 21. 21 into 6 is 126. This one is 33. 33 minus 66. So minus 60 minus 66 is 1 minus 126. This one is plus 26 equal to 0. Therefore, vector AB, vector AC and vector AD are coplanar. Okay. This is the method of finding the 4 points when they given. Right? Next, similarly you can try one problem in same method. Show that the 4 points A, B, C is position vectors. The position vector 4i plus 8j plus 12k, and another one 2i plus 4j plus 6k. Next 3i plus 5j plus 4k. Next 5i plus 8j plus 5k are coplanar. Try this one in home. Okay, same method. So first of all you can take first one OA, second one OB, third one OC, fourth one is OD. Afterwards you have to find out AB, AC, AD. Then you can simplify. Next, we go for another one problem. Find x such that 4 points A of 3, 2, 1, B of 4, x, 5, C of 4, 2, -2, and D of 6, 5, -1 are coplanar. Okay. So first of all, you have to consider A point is OA point. That is, OA vector is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. First point is considered as OA. Second one is OB vector. That is 4i plus xj plus 5. Next, third one is OC vector 4i plus 2j minus 2. Next, OD vector 6i plus 5j minus k. Okay. So as usual method, first you have to find out AB vector. AB vector means OB vector minus OA vector. OB is 4i xj plus 5k minus OA vector. OA vector is 3i plus 2j plus k. So simplified, 4i minus 3i is I. Next one is x minus 2j. Next, 5 minus k is 4. Okay. Next, similarly, we can find out AC vector. That is OC minus OA vector. OC vector is 4i plus 2j minus 2k minus OA vector 3i plus 2j plus k. 4i minus 3i is I, 2j minus 2j is 0, minus 2k minus k is minus 3k. Next, we go for AD vector. AD means OD vector minus OA vector. OD vector is 6i plus 5j minus k minus OA vector is 3i plus 2j plus k. Simplify, 6i minus 3i is 3i, 5j minus 2j is 3j, 5k minus k is minus 2. Okay, but here what is the given? Vector AB, vector AC, vector AD are coplanar. So we know that when they given coplanar, you can take that one equal to 0. That is vector AB dot of vector AC cross vector AD equal to what? 0. Okay. Now, as usual method, AB vector is 1, x minus 2, 4. Next, 1, 0, minus 3. Next, 3, 3, minus 2 equal to 0. Now you can simplify 1 of 0 minus or minus plus 9. Next, minus of x minus 2 of minus 2 plus 9 plus 4 of 3 minus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. Here, minus 2 plus 9 is 7. 7 it takes is 7x. Minus 14. 3 is 4 into 3 is 12 equal to 0. Minus 7x, 14 plus 12, 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. So therefore 7x is equal to 35, x is equal to 5. Okay. Right, this is the finding of the x value. Okay, next we go for another problem. 10th one. Prove that box of vector A plus vector B plus vector C plus vector E equal to 2 of A, B, C. Okay, important problem. Right? So first you can take LHS value. What is the box of A plus B, B plus C, C plus D. By the definition of scalar total product, you can write this one: A plus B dot of B plus C cross C plus D. Okay. Now you can simplify A plus B as it is dot of B cross C next plus B cross A plus C cross C plus C cross A. Okay, when you get same value, you can write that one 0. This is whole term is 0. So remaining value is A plus B dot of B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross A. Okay. Now you can simplify A dot of B cross C plus A dot of B cross A plus A dot of C cross A. Next plus B cross dot of B cross C plus B dot of B cross A plus B dot of C cross A. Okay. Now when you get same value, say A, B, B. When you get same value, it will be 0. Remaining value is A dot of B cross C plus these all terms are 0. Last one will come B dot of C cross E. So this can be written box of ABC by definition of scalar product. This is BCA. But this is equal to what? Again ABC plus this is right as ABC. Both are same. So if we add these two, we get 2 of ABC. Okay, we get the RHS. Right? Okay, next we go for another problem. 12th one. Prove that box of A, B, C plus D is equal to A, B, C plus A, B. Okay. So as usual method, first take LHS value. LHS is equal to box of A, B, C plus D. This can be write vector A dot of vector B cross of C plus D. Now you can simplify vector A dot of vector B cross vector C plus vector B cross vector. Okay, now you can simplify vector A dot of B cross C plus vector A dot of B cross D. By definition of scalar triple product, this one is ABC plus ABD. Okay. Next we go for last problem 13. Show that the vectors